Hello everyone, welcome back to my playlist. In the previous video, I have covered the topic of create database and create table in SQL Server. So those who haven't watched the video, please watch that previous video of practical 1, create database and create table. So we were working on employee info table, which is telling us the information of the employees. So EID, name and phone number were the attributes of this table. Today we will learn how to add a new column into this table. So how we will add new column into this table? We will add with alter command. Alter command add a new column into the table. Before we were having three attributes, employee ID, name and phone number. Now I want to add new column, that is address, into the table. So I will write alter table. Table name is employee info. So I will write employee info. Then I will use add clause, and then I will write address. Address is the new name of the column. You can write it ADDRESS and give it a data type, that is varchar. So varchar you can set it to 100 because address can take lengthy values. So we will take varchar. It will take numeric plus text data as well. So we will select this command and execute this command, and it says command completed successfully. That means we are done with creating the new column into the table. So let us check if it is added. Yes, address is added into the table. Remember that SQL is not case sensitive. So if you use a mixture of capital and smaller letters, it will not give you an error. Then now suppose this is the command we have to add new column into the table. So likewise, you can add any other column into the table. For example, I will copy this command and then I will add new another column, and edit this command. For example, I want to add the salary of the employee. So I will change add salary, and data type I will change. For example, the salary of the employee will be in decimal. So use decimal data type, and how many digits you want in this salary. For example, maximum of 10 digits I want salary of the employee, comma 2 means 2 digits after the decimal. So total number of digits will be 10 in the salary of the employee, and after decimal we will be having 2 digits. So use data type decimal when we want to give any decimal value in the table. So select this command and execute this command. Command completed successfully. We will again use select command to check the attributes of the new table. So as you can check, address and salary are added into my table. Now suppose I don't want salary into the table. So I will use another command, that is drop command. Drop is another DDL command which is used to drop a column into the table. So drop DDL command will delete the column from the table. And if I put it a comment, then the whole line will have no effect on the code. It's just a comment for your understanding that what we are doing. So suppose I want to drop the column salary. Again, I will use alter table, and I will use table. Which table I want to alter? Alter means I want to change the structure of the table. Alter table employee info. Now I will use drop column, and column name is salary. So if I execute this command completed successfully, that means our column is deleted. You can check here, salary is deleted from the table. So that is all for this video lecture. If you like my videos, please like it, subscribe it, and do not forget to share the videos.